This is why you need a job with Candina. Mediterranean routes, great pay, and home every trip. Let's break down why this contract is perfect for you. Picture this. You're an able seaman, working on a modern RoRo vessel, flying the Italian flag, and cruising the beautiful Mediterranean. No endless ocean crossings, just Spain, Portugal, Italy, and nearby EU ports, so you're never far from home. Your main tasks? Deck maintenance, watchkeeping, cargo ops, and keeping the ship safe, always as part of a solid team. The contract is straightforward. FOC style, stable monthly pay, no social security, but easy paperwork and more jobs through Candina's network. EU nationals only. And if you've got cruise ship experience, you're a top candidate. Big bonus recruitment is totally free. So why wait? Apply now with Candina and get ready to chart your next adventure, Mediterranean style.